In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a code block in Obsidian. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking app that's particularly beloved by developers and technical writers for its ability to handle code snippets and integrate seamlessly with Markdown. Let's dive right in and explore how you can insert a code block into your notes to make your workflow smoother and more organized. First things first, make sure you have the Obsidian app installed on your computer. If you haven't done that yet, you can easily download it from the official Obsidian website. Once you have it installed, go ahead and open the application. You'll be greeted with a clean, minimalist interface that's perfect for focusing on your work. Now, let's get to the fun part, adding a code block. Navigate to the note where you want to include your code block. This could be a new note you're just starting or an existing note that you want to enhance with some code. Once you have your note open, you're going to add your code block by typing 3 backticks. That's right, just hit the backtick key 3 times in a row and a code block will automatically appear in your note. It's that simple. Once you've got your code block, you can start typing your code directly into it. But wait, there's more. If you want to take advantage of Obsidian's syntax highlighting feature, which makes your code much easier to read, you can add the language of your code right after the 3 backticks on a new line. For example, if you're writing Python, just type Python right there. This little trick works for a variety of programming languages, including JavaScript, SQL, and more. Additionally, if you're looking to add just a small snippet of code within a line of text, you can use single backticks to create inline code. This is perfect for when you want to highlight a specific function or command without creating a full block. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively use code blocks in Obsidian. This feature can greatly enhance your note-taking, especially if you're dealing with technical content. Remember, the key to mastering Obsidian is exploring its features and customizing your notes to fit your workflow. Practice using code blocks in your notes, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on how to make the most out of your tech tools. Happy coding!